How to transfer Samsung Notes to iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to transfer Samsung Notes to iPhone. First, export Samsung Notes as PDF or text files on your Samsung device. Then upload the files to Google Drive or OneDrive. Next, download the files on your iPhone from the Cloud Storage app. Use the Move to iOS app during iPhone setup for direct transfer. Then, email the notes to yourself and open them on your iPhone. Sync Samsung Notes with Samsung Cloud and access them via a browser on your iPhone. Next, use third-party apps like Smart Switch for seamless transfer. Import Notes into Apple Notes or another note-taking app on iPhone. Verify all notes are transferred correctly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.